Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Dealers. My name is Andy and today we are going to talk about the two big next upcoming trades for Bitcoin and Ethereum. So let's have a look in the charts. So as you can see here, Bitcoin has been in this symmetrical triangle for the last couple of days, and there was already a little break down here, but as you can see, it didn't really break down because we have this resistance, the previous resistance, which now turned into support here. And usually if you break down of such a triangle, then the measured move price target would be the height of the triangle. As you can see here, if we break down, the target would be about, let's say we break down here, about $24,000. And if we would break to the upside, what would happen? The target would be about $51,000. Okay, but as of right now, as you can see, the price broke out of this triangle, but we have the support here. So what do we have to watch out now? As you can see, the price tries to move back into the triangle right now, and to have a confirmed breakout, what do we need? We need a lot of volume, and as you can see here, we did not have so much volume. It's very little volume. In fact, as you can see here, we had to break down. Here was a little bit more volume, as you can see, but now the volume has decreased significantly. So we have to watch out for a breakout in whatever direction, maybe to the upside or to the downside, and we need volume to confirm the breakout. So this could take some more time here, but the more important or upcoming trade could be Ethereum, because let's have a look here. Ethereum is in this triangle here, okay? And as you can see, this line acts as support, very good here, and this here is the resistance. And as of right now, we're getting closer and closer to a breakout. So set your alarms if you break down here or if you break up. Okay, you can set an alarm down here, or you can of course also follow me on Twitter, because if there is a breakout and there is a trade that we can make, then of course I will inform you there. Okay, check out Twitter at Crypto Dealers. And now it's really getting interesting here, because because we're getting closer and closer to the apex here. Okay, so this could be the next big trade for us. If we break to the upside at about 2,900, then we can put in a huge long position. And set your alarms, follow me on Twitter, and this is what we have to watch out now. Okay, this is coming up now, let's see, in the next couple of hours or days, but the apex is getting closer and closer, so the breakout is also getting closer. So big trade upcoming now. Okay, so if you like the video, subscribe to the channel, give the video a thumbs up. I wish you all the best. See you.